Temu akwa Badwam TV Badwam dwumadie so ye de radio asese ne ya woyi so all kind mano ode yaka ho bie dwumadie ne ya hyase wonyu nto mu an ya bedru sabre ya de kase no ebro samno ne obetie wo mu bi ne CDD ese abano ayeto na anu ya de nipa nsia ne nam so hwe won kwa emu aduanan ba konso epraye eno ne nsem bi na no pay obete Adom TV Badwam kase hwe live on Facebook / Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 uko YouTube ya Adom TV Tube adomonline.com ensemi eni bebre so yede egu ho bidin de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni dim tie se den ensem ni chiremu etie Senior Programs Officer War Ghana Center for Democratic Development yetwaniti ase CDD Ghana se enei abano ayeto no na no da yi mampani na mrase bedwafo no eni pensia ne nam so hwe won kwa eni mu aduanan ensia enso epraya won ensentwefo nhia mu no den semi etudwa
Senior Programs Officer War Ghana Center for Democratic Development CDD Ghana Nana Kwabena Abrompa Mensa Ekasa ewon sentwefo enhia mu a wo ye fa electoral violence cases efa afi 2020 ene afi 2024 no wodi tudwa se afi we abato ekoso no enipa ewuye na eyensia emu 46 ana wo nso epraye
that we have Central to Senya to East Kaswa, one person died. We don't have the details of the person, so it will be part of the field visit for the validation. Ashanti Offenso Akumada and 2 people, Jacob Inlaw 34 years, Solomon Biali 22 years, one of them through stabbing, the other gunshot. Ashanti Havano Southwest, Mankranso, Desmond Akwasini 33 years through gunshots. Now in Tolong, Nyampala 1, Haruna Saibu 31 years through gunshots.
Yet was so na enipa bi de ye anti-LGBTQ asem no kokodan Supreme Court na enu adai omo de won anodi samaba beto edwama asem no won mo abo de egu timeka say eye Rich Sky ene Amanda Odrai ya won de asem no court mranimfo ayese omo betna say na judgment no our
rates. But let me also add that we've not as yet seen the reasons. They are asking us to apply and that it will be available latest by Friday. So for now, we don't have any cogent comments to make until we see the full result of the court.
Dr. Amanda Odrai ne lawyer so kadam nsami fa runa Supreme Court ozi aba no ho
an interlocutory application that we were proceeding on procedural grounds, you know, so we still have options. Yes, but as we have said, we will wait to hear to see what is in the judgment.
But when you say options, what exactly are you referring to?
Well, I mean, we did not go to court on the contents, on the provisions of the bill. We were proceeding on Article 108, that this is a private member's bill, and based on that, certain procedures needed to be followed. So we want to see what the judgment is and what the arguments have been made concerning what we raised.
Kojo Mensa Abrampa Namanzebo.
Bekwai Mrashe Bejani Awosan AFS Speaker of Parliament. Eye Ura Joseph Oseu so adodo na nim no Jowai se nka nipemua Parliament fofora eba ewo January bosome no emu no nkebe ya MPP akanifo na ewo mrashe bedwafie mu no nka omo ankoso eni dwuma
wa she Parliament edwuma bia obedi adanse se Ura achievements abos se seriso ogina ho no kasa wo se enim de ekonechi ba nanim na monso awu to be an gofu the lawyer ni because why ye dwuma na chenti samne fa na sisia ejina he bi eni ba owo suhu eka de otisu sisia afenyo market
Osan in semfufo say etudwa
in Parliament ejina longevity in services and nema dwemu de ema afenyo market no antoaso sabria yewu nso ya boroswa yebenya adiokuno ana adiokuno ba decision bia ni wa yebetumi influence deɛ dɔm dodoɔ no pɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ biara Ghana fa ma ɔmo tumi ɔmo nyɛ nanso ɛwɔ sɛ yɛn deɛ pɛ sɛ yɛka deɛ wɔ sɛ yɛtumi ka dedenden wɔ fie ha.
Ede ya America say so mrahwebedwafoɔ agye atomu sɛ Ghana Boundary Commission Bill no enye dwuma. Wɔn mo de bill yi aba sɛ bɛyɛ bɛboa yɛ Ghana yɛ ne aman hodoɔ ahye no. Twitwi bia emmemonti ene bill ya abai kase no etwaso.
Acts which are just been passed, and it is going to give us quite a number. It's going to give us a lot of confidence to be able to work with these neighboring commissions, and it is also setting a stage in which international best practices that has been added into the bill to be realized. It's important for us to note that the old bill did not have administrative provisions. The composition of the governing body was very skewed to some extent. Now we have an all-encompassing stakeholder ministerial representation on the governing body. And let me mention that that is one key thing, because the Ghana Boundary Commission is a strategic entity. It's a strategic entity on that wise. So the Act also strengthens the Ghana Boundary Commission to be able to work with its neighbors.
Badwam TV Badwam Kaseno so na University of Media, Arts and Communication etwanitia say Unimac enei eje owura na Professor Rico Pokumensa atumo se one more vice chancellor foforo na ye ho hyehye ne amamrede no asisu no ode kasa bi to dwa wo kire mu se ene artificial intelligence eye AI no de wo se dimo akotene pa ne tichu ene won e wo media, arts and communication mu no. It is
done with a deep sense of humility and gratitude that I stand here today before God and a man as the invested Vice Chancellor of no less an institution than the unique University of Media, Arts and Communication, UNIMAC. We are unique, not because we are extraordinary, but because our story, experiences, that we have gone through to be merged as one university with constituent institutes make us a rare case study for impactful research outputs. Indeed, it is grace that has brought me this far to be synchronizing our curriculum in media, art and communication with 21st century skills, which encompass artificial intelligence. In the ever-evolving landscape of higher education, artificial intelligence is gaining eminence. In the media, arts and communication space, we keep hearing of deepfakes, cloned social media accounts, impersonations, among others, impacting hard-earned reputations. We must embrace the transformative power of AI to teach our students use AI for good and guide them to use AI to deliver relevant information that promotes, protects, and builds rather than destroy. And I dare all my faculty members to start the discourse on AI, interrogate it, and strategize how best to incorporate it into our curriculum.
Ghana Mampeni Nana Dodanko Akufuado ena enei wakopao University of Professional Studies Womo Twin Tower Lecture Hall eho entoma. Opa hontoma no odi tudwa se UPSC won abo homodin pa e won nwumasua mu baby efiri ni baby a won mo ekọ no won mo ebo homodin e won nwumasua o my Ghana ekwe.
Let me extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Vice Chancellor and the Chairperson and members of the Governing Council of APSA for their warm invitation. It is a pleasure to witness firsthand the remarkable progress being made at this institution, which continues to redefine professional education in Ghana. Ladies and gentlemen, this institution, the University of Professional Studies Accra APSA, is a shining example of the transformative power of education and vision.
Wasan editor just say edabano akomaso seba na disua enwo nsema.
Education remains at the heart of our national development agenda. It is the great equalizer, the surest pathway to breaking the cycle of poverty and reducing inequality. Over the past 8 years, my government has prioritized free secondary high school education, ensuring that every Ghanaian child, regardless of background, has access to quality education.
Yanko brekum na yankotia rohosam esiye ewo ho adankra nan a ho kitchen na ka ho ne nyapade de ni nyina hye emu nsam adom kase etwaso
ya hu se jana oba no se fi a pipe wo ha nti ye ya dwen se ye be yusu fi ha nsuo no but jaro so no yi owo mfimfini nti ya tu nsuo no kura na enko ti Tiera tu car call fire service, a fire tender for no say, or Korea or buy ya, almost a mocana say. Tia try ya bia, until never do baby about you free a bet. Yeah, to me, and until Jared, in fact, you are living in country, Donya, and yet.
And wechi or the other to a buying enim sebes in film ye and a brekum fire tender as say senti or may a woman more sebeya eja eto baby a wobeti me aswano. I need Jadan and I rehobonya brewe I who some pass a brekum crocakawe nas fire service kaya back when so cry and sending yajuma. Why we should be a Japadi and to say Nash she sam brewe ya I who yes ampina wabanes or moye na brekum. Yani abrinda de drive pa who say KCC.
Padiya one on the pediatric sickle cell clinic ano war 37 military hospital. Ya Dr. Emmanuel Pabi Abekwe. Osi ene ya wonkra 100 bi emumi enu de sickle cell. Ya rienu bi ewo ne moje emu. Enu nti ehu behia. Wabo otirimu po egu nhihye so obewa no. Oba na abema ye nyina ye nhunu ye de ansa na ware nhihye no abaso.
Who say Ghana Hano, so far Mofra, I won't for be or ha, a mumienu, a was sickle cell disease. Now, I'm probably no so yen to me, and picking it up and just how much I say, problems, and no complications, and sana, ye who some was sickle cell disease. In yes, a ye never check it, yes, sickle cell status, near who say, and ye was yarini be at it, ye mujan man, I say, Bishe, I say, and I say, Biniho. Said the Bay young Kola moving, and yet it drew to, and I say, Bibiana Edeba.
And wechi special guest of honor Major General Matthew Esian and so wechre mo say e ba na sickle cell ho nkyerɛkyerɛ a ɛwɔ fom pa yi ɛwɔ man emu ne senti ɛho hia sɛ nkyerɛkyerɛ ne betumi akɔsoro.
We must empower patients, families and communities with knowledge about the disease, its management and the importance of early diagnosis. By fostering an informed community, we can dismantle stigma and promote a greater understanding of the disease.
Now, what you besimu nyame ya Adom na se bro nya no amu na ye kri ntino ahobono etese de ma na Adom kase ye call saloons ahodo okwohwe hairstyles ahodo a e ma peso omudidi bro nya yi ne yenko hwe tiri ahodo a ono mo epe.
I feel the member who pass asobia pese on santale fronta ewo nenim nti bebre pese omoba omo chiponi ane the fronta tare ahonom ebu osuso a oba wig ye fronta na waba betare nti I feel the me hu se asama for share wig with fronta ne pa
nti nkofo asha se omo December yesi omo bo omutina na ana time bena ahanum omoba bebre say you ready December mu die
I feel die yesi ni me hu so omoba kakra but a 22nd kopa die ene yetimi pon anajo be se 3 kra wa ha sei
nti ye hwe hairstyles ahowe aba bronye wo clients and customers say rema obeya amom
hairstyles aba de bebre e kana e bone de a bebre na pe goddess braid, false locks, and butterfly locks. But say ban weaves need the mo pe bone straight, luxury no. When na e kwaso afi bone straight in e kwaso and a bounce. And I would bebre. So me say me kan a me wie ne enti no branya de e boss wa ha pa enti bon bra red polish. On baby bi wa ha say. False locks need the boy e 250. And then I the edge no. But Bond Straight in India, it ranged from 2,000 echo. The 10 inches, they did 2,000. And Goddess braiding, so about 250.
I'm a new boy, me, I'm a day bro. Midian, Akosia, Ejapoma, entry.
My young son, Adom TV, Badwam Cassia, and Hannah Bema Quine, and pay ye, dear, Sedania, oh dear, and Miana Dajia, or the Mayin. What our much ye, you would have one cat and online, the enemy being so. Now, young Fantoso, your Basia.